I'm Erin from TechGadgetsCanada.com, and I recently had a chance to spend several weeks with the LG V60 ThinQ 5G dual screen smartphone. It's got a ton of cool features and amazing options, but using them might not be intuitive. So I'm sharing some quick tutorials and how-tos on some of the V60's coolest features. The LG V60 makes it possible to use the second screen on your phone as a selfie light. This is particularly handy in darker environments. You can adjust the color of the light from cool daylight to warmer candlelight and angle the screen for as much or as little light as you need. Oddly though, it doesn't seem like there's a setting here for brightness. To get this tool, go to Camera and choose Photos. Flip the camera around to selfie mode so you're using the camera facing you. Then choose the flash setting. That's the lightning bolt in the top menu bar. When you do, you'll see three options: flash off, flash on, and a little face. Choose the face and the light panel will open on your other screen. Use the slider to adjust the light. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please hit that like button and give me a sub, because it does help me keep making more videos that I hope everyone out there can watch, enjoy, and learn from. You can read more tips and tricks for the V60 on the blog at TechGadgetsCanada.com. Until the next time, I'm Erin. You can find me on Twitter or Instagram. I'm at ErinLYYC. You can also always catch me at Facebook.com/TechGadgetsCanada. Thanks for watching.